Welcome back to my channel, guys. All my subscribers, I just want to say thank you. I'm just here. I had an awesome day today with my wonderful friend Sharon, and we went to the meat store, and she got some goat meat, and she was like, you know what, that's too much for me, so I took half of it, and she graciously gave me half. I took it because it was too much for her. You know, she's only one person. So this is half of the goat meat, and I'm just here, seasoned it up. I think it's after 7. They called today 4th of July. I really don't celebrate it, so you know, it's not for me. But yeah, we went out today and we got this. I want to show you guys this awesome pot. Awesome pot. I'm going to debut this pot. Where's that cover? I'm going to debut that pot. There's that pot and there's that cover for that pot. I tell you, it's a beautiful pot. And with that one, this one we bought also. And she bought, she definitely like bought me a set. She bought me a set. She bought me a set. She bought me a set. I love my friend Sharon. She's awesome. She's amazing. She gives good inspiration. I love her. She's like my mom. She's like my second mom, you know. I really respect her. I really do. But anyway, so we went out, we went shopping, and we got a few things, other things. But this was 2 things that I really enjoyed. And she got a set, and like I said, she bought me a set. So I haven't washed that one yet. Just this one. I have it heating up because I'm going to put my curry in there. I'm going to buy my curry today too because I'm going to get the wrong curry the other day. I'm going to get this curry. And that is not the curry I wanted. I didn't want goat and duck. I wanted just a plain one. So I had to get the plain one. 1 minute. And buy it first. And then I went and found it. I love that curry right there. So I'm going to sell it. I'm going to bring it to ShopRite. So them get the UPC off of it so them can order it. And some do. When I find something I like, I go to the store, then I'm going to ask them if they can start order it because I don't want to go far to reach it no more. And then just tell me if you bring the UPC, you look for it. You see me, so that's what I do. But anyway, my pot at up. It washed already, clean and everything. I'm going to get my curry with a little bit of oil. Just a little bit. And then I'm going to just burn the curry in there. So I'll be back. Alright guys, so I burnt the curry as I showed you before, and I just add a little water in the pot, and this is my goat meat, so some curry goat. Guys, remember this pot is hot, don't touch it so here it depend fire in your wire it hot. Anyway, so I'm going to turn it up a little bit more. And
These are new pots, so you can come for the pot.
I told him about the pot.
Right.
I debuted because you know Sharon bought it for me.
They're nice.
Yeah, both of
And
them.
that one.
Yeah. So it's gonna be cooking, and I'll show it to you in a little bit. All right, guys. Just I'm gonna add it to my thing. You start it again. Did you stop it?
Yeah, because it ain't one different.
Okay, you're good. So we can just breeze them together. Yeah, man, I see them back there, too. You see them back there?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I see them back there, how the damn thing is, isn't it?
They're just flying up there.
Yeah, man. Yeah, see the little Christmas tree will come out there, yeah, man. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. Yes, that's nice.
I just sneak attack you.
It's nice.
I just sneak attack you. Fuck my gang now.
Please, back to them. Don't play with me, yeah?
You don't have no chance. Ain't such thing as chance when I
Hi guys, so I'm back. It's 9:40 p.m. Alright, and my goat still a cook. Me did the outside. I look on the nice fireworks because I live like 2 minutes from the beach. I can walk to the beach, and they didn't have the big fireworks and entertainment that they usually have this year because of the coronavirus 19 situation. So they had like everybody around town had their fireworks going up. So I'm going to put a little bit of that in the video too, so you guys can see it and enjoy it with me, you know, along the way. But right now the goat did so tough in a tough, no, it tough. So I had to have it cooking for a while, you understand? So now it cooked down, I feel like say close to get done. I have something here, and it's just some scallion, thyme, onion, some pepper. I'm just gonna pour it in there. Alright. I already washed it and everything, cut it up and everything. Alright, and then see like I use it. Alright guys. You know I'm gonna think so the scallion day night, you know. So I'm gonna go get the scallion and then come back, alright? I'm gonna add a little bit of water to it, alright? Tune in. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Let's just see if we got a little bit of that in there. Hi guys, so we'll come back. So I'm gonna put my scallion in there. I'm gonna have my thyme in there. And everything is going to start cooking down. Just cook down. I love seasoning, you know. I love a lot of seasoning. And I'm just gonna put a little bit more thyme in it. Alright, and I saw the pots there. The pot I cook. And I'm going to cover it. Wipe down. Alright. Hi guys, so the curry got done. Here I bust it after 10 now. And the curry got done. You know how I know it done, let me show you. So I cook it down. The gravy is gotten really nice and thick. And it don't have the heavy oil residue on the top. I'm gonna make it cook down some more still. See, it cut. See, it can come apart. And I probably could make it come apart a little bit more if I just let it simmer. But I taste it already and it tastes good. You see me? Me taste it and me say, yo, it is nice and right. You know, but me still have it a boil up, but my sister the gravy look good. So what I'm going to do is wait till my husband come back in the morning because he went to work. And I will let him be the judge of it. And then I will let you know the conclusion. But I just want to show you what it look like. I taste it already and it tastes nice, you know. It's nice. I'm going to add a little bit more pepper to it. Add pepper. The little so-called Scotch bonnet pepper that I find up here. In a Miss Chin store, but she claims that she's a Korean. I still call her Miss Chin anyway. She mad, but it's okay. So me put a little piece of me have left. So I saw you look now, but me I tell her say good. I'm gonna take a little time out of it. And then, you know, it's real. Guys, I appreciate everything. Thank you on this 4th of July with the people them call it in America. And I just want to say to everybody who watched the video, thank you. Who subscribe, thank you. You know, and who welcome back to everybody who's here. I appreciate you so much. If you want to try the dish. Remember, I said the goat start from me and Sharon and my kids hanging out today. And it was such a joyous time that we had. P, holidays, whatever you celebrate. If you don't celebrate 4th of July, happy celebration. If you just want to cook food because you're the off, because you get holiday from your job, yeah. So you just enjoy it and get ready to go back to work. I'm going back to work at the place that I work at. On Tuesday, I'm going to go back. It's still going to be closed to the public, but I'm going to go to work on the inside of the building. So I just enjoy everyone, and I thank you so much, guys, and have a good night.